Kia ora, สวัสดีค่ะ everybody. Welcome to sharing my cooking channel. I'm Tanchino Grains. Today we are going to make chicken satay. First of all, we need to slice the chicken. I will slice the chicken about 1 centimeter thick. We don't want it to be too thin because when we grill it, it will very dry. The ingredients we need for today are I use 1 kilogram of chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon of baking powder just to soften the chicken, and half cup of coconut milk. We need to soak bamboo skewer in water, prevent it to burn when we grill the chicken. Next step, we are going to marinate the chicken. You put all dry ingredients in the bowl, then pour coconut milk. Stir until all ingredients mix well together. I will wrap it up and put in the fridge for half an hour at least, or you can leave it for 2 or 3 hours. After we marinate chicken for 1 hour in the fridge, now we are going to put it on skewer. Let's bring it to grill on the barbecue. I will put bamboo side on the hot plate so it won't burn while we grill the chicken. Here is your chicken satay is ready to serve. If you like my cooking, please subscribe my channel, sharing my cooking, and I hope to see you again in next video and see what I am going to cook. Thank you for watching. Enjoy eating tonight and see you again. สวัสดีค่ะ